This is an unedited phacoemulsification of a cataract with grade 2 plus nuclear sclerosis. By this time the main incision has been made. Viscoelastic substance 2% SPMC has been injected. Now one side port is being made on the right side of the main incision about 2.5 clock hours away, and another side port is made on the left side of the main incision at about the same distance away from the main incision. Now capsulorhexis is to be done. In this case I am going to use only the 26 gauge bent cystitome. 26 gauge needle has been bent and it is being used to do this capsulorhexis. It takes a little longer time than a Utrata forceps in my hands. It is done, and now hydrodissection is being done. BSS is passed just underneath the capsule. Anticapsular rim hydrodelineation is also done, and a beautiful golden ring has formed in this case. Viscoelastic substance is injected again, and in this case I am going to see if I can aspirate the whole thing. This is the phaco tip. This is Portly Cataract's easy phaco machine. I go bevel down in this case first. Sometimes I go bevel up. I remove the superficial lens matter. I can assess that this cataract will be possible to chop, but I cannot go beyond the middle, beyond the center of the cataract. If I go beyond the center, it will be soft and I will not be able to chop. So one heminucleus has been chopped and this is the other heminucleus, and in no time it is removed. Now there is a thick epinucleus. The epinucleus comes easily because hydrodissection was okay in this case. That's it. Now I'm going to use a Simcoe cannula to remove this cortical lens matter. Here it is. This is a 23 gauge Simcoe cannula. Little bit of polishing of the posterior capsule is also done. Now I go through the side port and remove the cortical matter from 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. So the cortical cleanup is done, and now there is some cells sticking to the posterior capsule. I am going to remove that very gently. And now in this case I am going to implant a hydrophilic acrylic intraocular lens. This surgery has not been edited, and we're going to see everything. The lens has been folded in the cartridge, and this is a 2.2 millimeter incision compatible cartridge. In case of 2.2 millimeter, it has to be wound assisted. Otherwise, in 2.8 millimeter incision, it goes through the main incision. The lens has been implanted in the capsular bag. Now I am going behind the IOL and I'm going to remove the viscoelastic substance. I'm going to flash out the viscoelastic substance. This is moxifloxacin. Now the side ports are hydrated to make these stab incisions waterproof wounds. This is a view under higher magnification. You can see that the lens is inside the capsular bag, antechamber is clear. The antechamber is formed with BSS and I come out. That's it. The case is over. Hope these videos will be useful in your practice. Thank you for your attention.